In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make money online in a really simple and funny way. There is no technical knowledge required. This is not going to be something that you will need to spend a lot of hours in front of the computer. And right now, at the time of recording this video, this is something that you guys can do worldwide. Hey, hello, my name is Castillo. Welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So if this is something that you're interested, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently and I don't want you guys to miss a video. This is going to be a full step tutorial of how you can make money online with a couple of clicks and with a really simple and funny way. At the end of the video, guys, I'm going to be revealing another way in which you can earn even more money. But now let me show you everything step by step. Remember, there is no technical knowledge required. There is no experience. And actually, this is free to do. You just need to put the time and, repeat this tutorial over and over and over if you want to increase the money that you're going to be earning. We're going to be using several websites, so please make sure that you're going to be watching everything. The first one, I don't know how to pronounce it, but is Imgur, Imgur is imgur.com. Is this one, okay? This is a website in which everybody is uploading a lot of images. It can be images about nature, ocean, funny things, and all that stuff. So let me show you. And this is something that we call traffic. So it means how many people visit this website. The global ranking is 250, okay? And the average amount of people that are visiting this website, it's this one, 139 million people. Okay, 139 million people. There is also another thing that I would like to show you as well, and it's the fact that there is people who spend a lot of time here, and the average is that they visit 4 pages. What does this mean? That people are actually clicking on the links, they're clicking on the images because they want to see them, okay? So this is actually really important because we need these people, and I'm going to show you a strategy of how you can create an amazing image that a lot of people would like to see. And don't worry, you don't need to be a graphic designer. You don't need to have any kind of drawing skill. Okay. The second website that I'm going to be talking about is a website that I already talked about in this channel, okay, which is a Discord channel, which is Midjourney. Okay, so you're going to go to midjourney.com and you are going to be joining the Discord channel. This is actually free for you to do and free for you to join. Let me wait a second or two because for some reason I got disconnected. Okay, here I have the channel. Okay, here you have 2 rooms. In my case, this is the room that I have been working on. And this is AI tool that it actually creates anything that you have in mind. You just literally need to make a description, okay? So how do you actually use it? Although I explained it on another video before, is that you need to click here where it says use apps, and then you're going to click here where it says Midjourney bot, okay? In case you have more than one app, just like me. And then you're going to click here where it says imagine, okay? Here on the prompt, you're going to describe what do you have in mind. Hey, I want to have, I don't know, dog that is going to be a superhero. I want to have a futuristic car, where you can be even more specific. It's all about Lamborghinis and all this stuff. And as soon as you have an image, because they're going to be unique images, you can choose the one that you're going to be using. In my case, I'm going to be using this one, and you're going to be saving it. Now, I think you're getting the idea, right? We need a website in which people go because they want to see these images. And we have a technology who is actually creating really good images for us. Now, how do we monetize it? Okay, we are going to be using a website that is called ShrinkMe. So you're going to go to shrinkme.io. Here on ShrinkMe, they are going to be paying you for every single person who click the link. Okay, So you're going to be creating your account. This is actually your account. If you want to withdraw, it's really simple. You just need to click here where it says withdraw. And you need to click here where it says new short-term URL. Okay, new short-term URL. And I'm going to show you how we are going to grab attention from people who are in Amgurt, I don't know how to pronounce it, amgurt.com. Anyways, okay, so you can create as many images as you want. And I know there are other AI tools out there. You can use as many AI tools as you want. And one cool thing that I know, because I have been using Midjourney for some time, is that you can create a background. You can describe like, I want a really futuristic background with neon colors. Okay, it's gonna create that. Then you can use the image and you can ask Mid Journey to merge the background that you just created with an item. Okay, so it's gonna be a totally unique image. You can do that as well. But now let's make it simple. Like, let's keep it simple. Okay, so we're gonna go to Photopia. Okay, so you're gonna go to photopia.com and you're gonna be uploading the image. If you already have Photoshop, hey, this is exactly the same tool. If you don't have Photoshop, this is the online version, okay? So you are gonna be uploading the image, and then we are gonna go here where it says filters. We are gonna go to blur, and we are gonna be using the Gaussian blur. Diana, can I use another? Yeah, you can, but let's keep it simple. So this is the Gaussian blur. So you are gonna see like, this is how people are gonna see the image, and this is Gaussian. So we want it for them to have the idea like, hey, there is something there, but they're not 100% sure. They want to click because they want to know more about it. So this is the image that we are going to be uploading to Mgur. Okay, but also we need to have the original image. Okay, so make sure that you put a name on this one that is different to the original. It can be version 1 or something like that. So now on Anchor, you're going to be uploading the image and the system is going to be asking you for a description. On the description, okay, you are going to be putting your link. Hey, Diana, but what's the link? I just have one image. How do I grab my link? Well, we're going to be using Google Drive. Okay, here on Google Drive, if I double click, you're going to notice that I already upload the image. Okay, I already upload the image. I'm going to click here on the three dots and I'm going to click here where it says share. Okay, here on share, it's going to be asking me like, do you want to create a link? Yes, I actually want to copy a link, but I want to make sure that anybody with this link is going to be able to see the image. So I'm going to copy the link. And this is the link that actually I'm going to be sharing here on Share Me. Okay, so I'm going to paste it here. I'm going to shorter. Okay, so I have this link. Again, remember, you need to go to amgor.com. I don't know how to pronounce it. I'm so sorry. Upload the image. On the next page is going to be asking you for a description. You're going to describe. In my case, my image, it's going to be about a samurai, you know. So I'm going to be doing a description about the samurai. And then remember, I'm going to be uploading the blur one. Okay. The blur one. That's the one that we're going to be uploading. This one. Okay. And I'm going to tell them like, do you want to see a high quality, the full unblurred photo? Click here. Okay. And here is actually this link. So this is how you guys can actually make money with a simple strategy. If you want to earn even more money, so you are going to be replacing your full-time job, I'm going to be leaving a link. It's going to be the very first link in the description with a free course of how you can actually fire your boss if you're ready to do it. This is it for this video. I hope you guys find this content helpful. If you do, please give me a thumbs up and I see you on the next video.